Hello, my name is METİN. This is 245th part of explanation of my theory. According to my theory and my formulas, black hole formation has nothing to do with gravity. They exist before observable universe. Black hole formation has nothing to do with gravity. Black holes before observable universe. In accepted physics theories, black hole formation theory is built on gravity or its relativistic warped space-time derivation. Whereas, according to me, this is not the case. Is the universe independent of our perceptions? Is there only one reality or much more? Can we make them connect? Meta-sensation perception matter and its intrinsic regular lawmaker motion forms exist independent of the subjects and subjective reality. Meta-sensation perception matter and its intrinsic, perpetual, repetitive, spherical ring-shaped electron motion forms, and these forms, successive light waves, are eternally exist. Meta-sensation perception matter represents the matter. Subjective reality represents living things, experiences, sensations, and perceptions. In short, subjective reality and observable universe represent the life. These are two different realities, and light is the bridge between the two universes. There are different wavelength sizes, kinds, electron motion forms in our universes. These motion forms are intrinsic motion forms, meta-sensation perception matter. They are not depending on our subjective reality or our observable universes. Whether we are exist or not, there is universal reality that it is meta-sensation perception matter, reality and its intrinsic regular motion forms. Yes, there are different wavelength sizes, kinds, electron motion forms in our universes. Most common size electron motion form kind, for instance, 91.155 nanometer wavelength size kind electron motion forms in all known atoms. But each added proton, for each added proton to hydrogen, 91.155 nanometer wavelength size intertwined electron motion form, and each added electron, okay, was smaller according to my theory and my formulas. I advise you to watch my former videos about these subjects. Yes, but there are hundreds of thousands of kilometers wavelength size intrinsic electron motion forms of meta-sensation perception matter also. These are giant electron motion forms, and black holes are nothing but giant electron motion forms. Black holes are electron motion forms also. I'm so sorry. If someone asks that how a black hole has been formed, the answer must be like, how can we imagine that an electron motion form can be formed in meta-sensation perception matter? Since my first video, I advise you to watch if you want. Since my first video, I have been telling my electron motion form picture and my formulas about these. When I imagine how can an electron motion form be formed as a motion form of meta-sensation perception matter, I saw that an electron motion form formation has nothing to do with gravity. So, because a black hole is a giant electron motion form of meta-sensation perception matter, its formation, black hole's formation, has nothing to do with gravity also. Have a good evening. See you later.